So 30 years. 30 years of literal blood, sweat, and tears. The statistics say that an average family business will last 24 years, and only 30% of them will go into a second generation. So here we are beating the odds.
I thought it was really important that we honor where we came from, and so I had Blake kind of dive through photos to try and find pictures of his parents. So this is actually his mom in the original office, and then this is his dad.
It wasn't for our solid core of vendors that stood by us, our great customers that gave us a second and third chance when we were figuring it all out, and our employees that basically knew how to get the job done and had fun doing it. Thank you very much to all three of you.
On their 30th anniversary in business, and whereas Hartford Truck Equipment Incorporated was established in 1994, I'm choking up, by Pat and Lynn Brannon, and is now in the second generation of family ownership, and whereas the Brannon family's commitment to quality and customer service has been a driving force behind the company's success.
I don't think that their peers would have ever thought that it would have been anything close to being in this realm. I mean, it really is incredible when you stop and think about it. They started out from this little tiny building on this property that they rent out now, and bought this, and then keep expanding and growing, and they're buying properties surrounding it, and it's just it's really impressive, and it's something to celebrate for sure.
So that's the story, from 3 people to 45, from half an acre to over 27 combined acres now, from less than 5,000 square feet up to over 80,000 square feet in total. And what do I attribute that to? Our vendors, our employees, and our customers. There was many times over the years where we were here long past hours. We were here on the weekends. It's corny when people say it's like a family, because that's kind of cliche, but really, we spend more time with each other than we do our actual families. I just have to thank my team. I mean, we have a good events team. Sarah, my marketing manager, our marketing coordinator, Liz, just my brother. I mean, we've kind of been working on this for over a year. I mean, we knew 30 years was gonna be big. We wanted to go big. So it's great to see it all come together finally.